Welcome to Wigglesticks TV. So back out in the garage again today. I'm going to pull the fairing off here and swap the radiators over because I think the radiator might be the issue in this cooling system. So I found another radiator which is in much better condition than mine. So I'm just going to rip the fairing off and then I'll flush the cooling system with some radiator flush, and then I'll put the new radiator on, flush the whole thing out again, and with any luck she will be ready to go down the road. So yeah, I'm getting a little bit sick of trying to do this over and over again, but I guess that's what happens when most of this stuff came from Gumtree. So I'll give it a shot, and I'll just take the fairing off, and then I'll come back after that. Well, they ended up completely changing the radiator in this, as I mentioned a little bit earlier. I didn't end up filming it because, I mean, everyone's seen a radiator get changed before, and I did it in the other one. I've taken it for a little bit of a spin, and it seemed to work much better. So today I'm going to take it for a decent spin, try and do a couple of 100 kilometers on it, and actually see see how it performs. But it was cooling and everything properly the other day, so with any luck, issues will be fixed. I've still got my manual fan switch on there just in case, but yeah, it's I'm fairly confident that it should be all right. Doesn't look like we've lost any radiator fluid or anything like that. That's still really topped up, so yeah, I think it's looking promising. So with any luck, today will go well. It's a bit chilly, so yeah, I think it should be all right. So yeah, I'm going to go on my normal route that I normally go on the weekend, go and see my mum up in the country, and yeah, see how we go. So I'll try and take a few videos and something on the way, but with any luck, she'll make it all right, and yeah, won't need to call the RACV roadside assist to come and help me home. I'll get organised and we'll see how we go. Oh, I'm sitting back out in the rather chilly garage again tonight. The test ride I went on yesterday actually worked quite well. Ended up doing 250k round trip and really no issues with the bike. It ran really well. I would have taken it on a few more twisty sort of roads, but it was absolutely freezing by the time I got almost to Ballarat where my mum lives. So yeah, I ended up just sort of doing a quick visit there, warming back up again, and then coming back home along the freeway. The temperature and everything was really fine. So yeah, I think pretty much all the issues and stuff are sorted now. With the new radiator back in there, it seems to make a massive difference. So it's dropping up and down as the temperature and stuff you would expect. So much so that today I just disconnected my manual fan switch and just routed it back to the normal switch. So it should just come on in traffic. I had it running before, it came on about 109 or something like that, and then dropped the temperature back down to about 102 just with the fan going. So I'm pretty confident that it's running well now. So yeah, I think it's yeah, just a quick update video just to let you know how it's going. Seems to be pretty much done and dusted. As far as troubleshooting and stuff goes, I'm just really itching for the weather to warm up a bit here, and yeah, to be able to actually get this thing out on the track at some point in the near future. It's definitely worthwhile registering it on Club Reg here, which is like a permit system, 25 years and over vehicles in the state I live in, and luckily I've got in before they're about to change that to 30 years in October, so only few months to spare before this would have had to be on full reg or just on the track as well. So yeah, pretty happy with the project so far. Yeah, I'll get around to getting a new tyre at some point in the next couple of weeks, and then hopefully once winter is over and spring and summer start to come, get it out onto the track and into into some twisty roads and messing about in summer. It's a good companion to the 98, so yeah. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll do a walk around video probably sometime over the weekend. Yeah, so thanks everyone for watching so far, and I'll see you in the next one.